I'm here with Peyton Lacoste from the Rainier Snowcaps. You guys dropped the game tonight against Laces Collegiate 8-4, but you had a big day today. You hit a single, double, triple, just short of the home run. You're lifted in the 7th inning. Did you know that you were going for the cycle there?
Yeah, I knew all I needed was a home run, but it is what it is. No worries. I'm just looking to help my team win.
Did when coach pulled you out, were you a little bummed out, or?
No, I mean I was just happy to have a good day. You know, help my team. Coach JG is a really great supportive coach, and I'm whatever he wants to do, that's fine with me.
There you go. You also had 1 RBI, one of the 4 runs batted in today. We were talking off camera. You are from originally?
Covington, Louisiana.
There you go, and you're going to the UW, correct?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. So what made you choose the Pacific Northwest?
You know, it just felt like the right fit for me. I wanted to get away. I wanted to get away from home. And it was a beautiful campus, beautiful school. I love the coaches, love the facilities. It just seemed right.
And you said you were here for how long? 5 days so far?
I think it's my 4th day here. I'm not sure. I got here Saturday night.
How do you feel about the Pacific Northwest so far?
I love it. I mean, the weather's been perfect. You know, that people keep telling me like wait for the rain, and I don't know. It feels perfect right now. It's cool. It's cool. I'm excited to be here.
What's the temperatures like back home?
I mean, it's really warm and humid. It's probably about in the 90s, mid 90s right now. But it's crawfish season back home, so you know, we're missing that up here. But
compared to your hometown, you're in Seattle, correct?
Yeah.
I mean, is it a big change, or?
Yeah, it's a big change because I'm in it's a small city. Covington's a small city, but it's not too small. But I mean, big city life is definitely something different. You know, I'm not used to it.
Awesome, cool. Well, congratulations on your big day.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.